Okay, so we're going to see how much Ted's water tank weighs once it is full of rainwater in Stanley Mission. So, we have a picture of his water tank here, and the dimensions given are 10 feet wide, 8 feet deep, I guess we can say, and 4 feet high. So, what we want to do is look at the formula for volume. Volume equals length times width times height. And we just simply want to plug in the formula numbers. So length, we have it at 8 feet, times the width is 10, and times the height of 4 feet. Multiply that all together, we're going to get 320 cubic feet. One thing to remember is that when dealing with or calculating surface area, we have the units in squared, whatever square feet, square meters, units squared, but in volume, we have to remember that our units are cubed now. So whatever our units are, whether it's meters or grams, they're always going to be cubed because we have, or multiplying three things, 1, 2, 3. So therefore, our units are cubed. Alright, now, we know that once his tank is completely full, it will hold 320 cubic feet of water. Now what we have to do is, we are given the information that one cubic foot of water equals 62 pounds, 8 ounces. Now we have a little bit of a situation here. Before we figure out how heavy all the water is in his tank, we have to convert ounces into pounds. It's very simple to do. We'll just set up a conversion again, proportion, pardon me, and we're going to have 1 pound equals 16 ounces, and this is information that's available on the internet anywhere you look. Will equal, so we're trying to figure out how many pounds are 8 ounces. We just simply cross multiply again. So 16 times x is 16x equals 1 times 8 is 8. We always want to isolate the letter variable. So 16's cancel out. Now we have x equals 8/16 is half, or 0.5. Now we can just simply multiply. So I guess we should just quickly write up here. 62 pounds, 8 ounces is the same as 62.5 pounds. Now we just simply multiply how much water there is times the weight, and we are left with 20,000 pounds. Now, his tank will hold 20,000, or his tank will weigh 20,000 pounds once it is full of water. We're still not quite done yet. We have to convert these pounds into tons. And once again, we'll do a proportion, so we know that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So we're trying to figure out how many tons are in 20,000 pounds. Once again, cross multiply. 2,000 times x is 2,000x equals 1 times 20,000 is 20,000. We want to always isolate the x, so we'll divide this by 2,000. So we have to divide this by 2,000. Now we have x equals 20,000 divided by 2,000 is 10. 10 tons Ted's tank will weigh once it is full of rainwater.